This video tutorial will cover how to add pictures to your inspection report on a PC. Adding pictures to your reports is very simple, and you do so using a simple drag and drop method. The way this works is that you'll set it up so you have the PDspect program open side by side with the folder that has your inspection pictures in it. So the first thing we're going to do for this is we're going to resize PDspect so it's not taking up the full screen. And next we're going to open up our folder that has our pictures in it, which we have right here. And we're going to resize this so it's side by side with PDspect. Now, to add in pictures, all we have to do is find a picture we want to add, click on it, and then drag and drop it on the line we want to add it to the report. So as you can see, the picture we just dragged over is now on the parking lot line. And you can add multiple pictures at a time by selecting more than one and then dragging them and dropping them on the line as well. So we now have 3 pictures added to our parking lot line. If you want to add decorations or edit the picture, all you have to do is simply click on the picture to bring up the edit image screen, which we're now looking at. The edit image screen gives you several options for editing your picture. The first option in the top right corner is your image attributes, and this gives you your height and your width. And here, if you want to make the picture larger or smaller, you can make those changes. Below the image size is a button for make default size, and so if you click this button, then the image height and width you have selected for this picture will become the default image size for all new pictures that get added into your reports on the PC in the future. Next, we have lock aspect ratio. If it's checked, that as you adjust the height or the width of the picture, the other will automatically change proportionally. After that, we have an option to change the resolution that images get added in at. And now we have decorations. And there's 3 different types of decorations to choose from. We have arrow, ellipse, and then zooms. And so let's say we want to add a couple of these to the pictures. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to select arrow, and we're going to draw a couple arrows. To draw decorations on a picture, all you do is just click and then drag your mouse to where you want it to go. And so just like that, we've added in a couple arrows. The second type of decoration is the ellipse. You draw the ellipse the same way, and it's just simply a circle. And below the type, we have an option here for color. So here you can choose from different colors. So let's say we wanted to draw green, and we want to make it a zoom. And so that allows you to zoom in on an area. And so with that, that's a look at the decorations. So if you make a mistake as you're adding them in, you can actually click on the undo last to remove the last decoration you added in. And as you can see, the zoom we just added in is gone. Or you can clear all of them off by clicking on undo all. And that removes all the decorations. So directly below the decorations type and color, we have the option for text. And so here we can type something in. So we'll type in several holes. And as you can see, it just adds text directly to the picture. Below, we can select where we want it to show up. So we'll say we want it to be in the top left. And you can change the size. So if it's a little bit too large, we can change the size to medium. And to stand out a little bit more, let's go ahead and we're going to change the color to blue. And that's a look at how you add text to pictures. Once you add the first one in, you can hit start another text and then go through the process again to add another piece of text to the picture. The last options on the edit image screen are the 2 arrows that we have here. These are used to rotate your picture. When you have finished making all the changes to your picture, click on OK. This concludes the tutorial on adding pictures to your reports on a PC.